Hi, this is Timothy Perfect from Two Canoes, and I want to show you the current progress we're making on XCreds 3.3. We've got some exciting new features. I kind of want to walk you through it, kind of show you how it works. I have release notes and a build for you to try. Let's get to it. So the first one is, this is running, I have a machine here that's running XCreds 3.3 on macOS 14.1. And one of the things we did is that you notice on the bottom here, the buttons, there's no buttons to switch login windows. Well, we have a new preference that allows you, if you hold Control Option, then hit Return, it'll switch between the standard login window and then you can go back to the cloud login. And if you do Control Option Command, it'll go to the Mac login window, which I won't do at this point. But this allows you to do a quick way to switch in between them, so it prevents students from just kind of clicking the button and doing local login. And if like the tech needs to get in, they can still do that combination. So that's kind of exciting. The other thing is being able to create account when you or to map your account, your cloud account, to your local account. So I have a local account on this machine that's a standard user called brubble, and I'm going to log into my Azure account as Barney. And so normally these two wouldn't be mapped unless you put in some specific mapping or hard coded it. But if we now went in XCreds 3.3, you'll get prompted and it'll say, hey, there's I'll enter the username for and password of a local account. So I'll put in brubble, and this password is different than my cloud password. I believe it's just Two Canoes. And it'll go in and it'll map that account to the cloud account. So now that I'm logged in, and if I go, you can see that I'm, I guess I don't really, let me see my home directory. Here's brubble, and I'm logged in as that user account. So now if I log out, when I go back to signing in as Barney, it no longer prompts me for to map that account, and it just logs in. So that's nice. One of the other features we added is it'll take that. We have another key that does the aliasing. So if I go switch over to the standard login window and I try to log in as my Azure account, which is Barney at twocanoes.com, and I'll use my cloud password to sign in. You can see that I sign in as well. And of course, I can always sign in with the local account, which is just brubble. And that works with the cloud password as well. So we added an alias in. So let me show you how that works. So in System Library Core Services, Applications, we have Directory Utility. And we go to Directory Utility Editor, and I'll look for brubble, which is that account. And so we added in a couple of things. One is that the XCreds, we add in the OIDC issuer and the subject. So this is a unique identifier for the user within this issuer. So this uniquely identifies these accounts. So it knows how to match them. It doesn't match it based on the login that you signed in with, but the issuer and the subscriber. So that means uniquely defines it within that OIDC. So then that's, and then the alias on a record name, you can see I have brubble, and we've also added in Barney at twocanoes.com. So it allows you to log in with either one of those two. So I think that's, there's a couple other pieces. We improved logging messages, and there was a bunch of pull requests we got that we incorporated that added in some awesome features like refreshing the login window when the Wi-Fi is connected and network changes. And also some the default desktop, which is kind of nice, so you don't have to see the photograph I took of the snowy field. So now you get this wonderful macOS field that you can look at. All right, so those are the features that currently are incorporated in the current beta of XCreds 3.3.